Well, we've been focused on the trade war with China, but another war could be looming between the U.S. and the European Union. The World Trade Organization expected to side with the United States today and slap billions of dollars in tariffs on European goods in response to alleged European government subsidies to plane maker Airbus. Victoria Scholar, market analyst at IG, is here to discuss. Good morning, Victoria. Good morning. Can Europe afford the tariffs on an estimated $7 billion in their goods? And if they retaliate, can we afford that?
Yeah, I mean, essentially, this is just another trade war on another front. We're already dealing with the one between Washington and Beijing. Now it looks like another one could be erupting with the EU as well. Essentially, Airbus is a stock that's very much caught in the crosshairs, as well as Boeing. Like you mentioned, the WTO is likely to vote in favor of the US, which could be extremely costly for the EU. But then we could see some kind of retaliation, and it could go the other way and hit Boeing as well. We saw shares in Airbus slump sharply just a couple of weeks ago when these reports came out. So we'll have to wait and see really what happens there. But essentially, it just means more tensions in terms of that ongoing trade war.
Yeah, more tensions, more uncertainty. Investors caught in the middle of all of this. We see the FTSE in London.
Absolutely.
A little bit of weakness there this morning. Vote of no confidence in Prime Minister Boris Johnson could happen this week. Do you expect that to happen? All, of course, in a bid to extend Brexit.
Yeah, I mean, again, this vote of no confidence essentially just means that the chances of a Brexit deal are less and less likely as we head into that key 31st of October deadline. I mean, it looks as though Brexit could be pushed out by another 3 months. We're seeing a little bit of downside on the FTSE, and that was after we saw a little bit of strength at the back end of last week, partly because of a weaker pound.
Right, exactly. Victoria, thank you for joining us this morning. So much to talk about on both sides of the Atlantic. Thank you.